Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the warning type for the fire station mode in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the warnings button, and then click on the alert points button. And if you enabled the alert point warnings section, then just click on the alert types button, and then click on the fire station button. And if you click on the warning type button, you can choose the mode that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.